She gave the book 5 gold stars. Summarize Superhero JJ Many Talents book in one sentence. Guess what Tizzi said? Inspiring. Describe in brief about the main character of the book. Fun and helpful. What was your favorite part of the book and why? Tizzi said, Superhero JJ teacher. I can imagine myself in the classroom with Superhero JJ. Which talent was your favorite from the book and why? Was it the doctor, the baker, the dentist, the astronaut, the firefighter? She said the same answer. It's the firefighter. She found it very interesting, though cautious due to the firefighter concept, but helpful that the kitchen safety was the topmost priority. She highly recommends this book. It's reasonable and it is definitely on her things to do to buy once the book gets out.